Hello Kenda friends, in today's video, we're going to explore the best dark icon packs for Android. If you're looking to give your phone's interface a sleek and stylish makeover, you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Nova Dark. Nova Dark is a specifically designed icon pack that works seamlessly with Nova Launcher. The icons in this pack have an elegant, geometrical design with a dark background, creating a visually stunning and impactful appearance. Nova Dark also offers various color variants for selected icons, enabling users to personalize their visual experience according to their preferences. LuX Dark. LuX Dark offers an impressive range of minimalist design icons that feature a dark background with striking white lines. This icon pack provides a wide selection of icons and supports numerous popular applications. Furthermore, LuX Dark includes compatibility with popular launchers such as Nova Launcher and Action Launcher, making it effortless for users to quickly and easily customize their icon designs. Dove Dark. Dove Dark is an icon pack that sets itself apart by incorporating subtle animations into its icons. Each icon within the pack possesses a smooth and captivating animation when activated or clicked upon. With a minimalistic and modern design, Dove Dark presents a sleek and sophisticated dark background. Additionally, this icon pack is continually updated with new icons, ensuring users have access to an ever-expanding and refreshingly diverse collection of icons to enhance the look and feel of their home screens. And that's a wrap for today's video. We've introduced you to 3 incredible dark icon packs for Android. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to download these icon packs and enhance your Android experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.